I have been shopping on eBay, and I blame this on Donna from Donna's Creative Adventure, I think it is. Donna has the coolest channel, very fun. She has at least 2 of the 24-inch Amaya Raines, and she may have more. She makes shoes and clothing. Oh my, the clothing is beautiful. You should go by. I'm going to link her in. And because I bought this doll from something that she had shown, and that was an Amaya Raine with a, we used to call them a flip. We used to call that hairstyle a flip. When I get her out, I'll show you what I'm saying. I bought her on eBay. Darren, could you? No, let me set this on the floor. And with a crash. Okay. I love these dolls. I have 2. I have one that I use almost monthly. I don't have the strength in my wrist right now to fix that, but we're just going to look at her like this. I have one I use each month with Dorie's Dollies. We do Amaya Raine Day, and that is any Rainbow High doll that you want to use. We just use the name Amaya Raine, so therefore I use my big doll as an excuse. Somebody loved this doll. This doll was pre-loved for sure. Now, I could save this hair very easily. That's not bad at all. If you start at the very bottom of these pre-loved dolls, my comb is in the other room, or I'd show you. I have a metal comb, and if you take that comb, you don't yank it down, you roll it, so that the knots, you roll off the knots, and you just do a little bit at a time. You can save that hair, and then if you give it a Downy dip, Downy, the fabric softener, let me see if I can, I can't right now. You can save that hair, but Donna cut her doll's hair about just past the shoulder, and she has the underflip where it's curled back up, and she made the cutest outfit for that doll. And I saw that, and the doll looked so much more mature, older, and just gorgeous. And I thought about it and thought about it and thought about it, and I went on eBay and I got her. So Donna, this one's on you. If I can get mine to look half as cute as yours is, I'll be pleased. Believe me, I want to send her to you and have you do her hair. You did such a cute job. Darren makes shoes, and I don't have any over here. He makes shoe soles for these dolls, and then I make them just little, what do you call them, sandals or slip-on shoes. And that takes care of the no shoes. This little outfit is incredible. If you've never seen one of these outfits in person, it's unbelievable. We paid, Darren had gone to Walmart. I was at Yarns. And he found in the clearance item, new in the box, Amaya Raine shortly after they came out.
Yeah.
And they were $25 each. And he said, how many do you want? Silly me. I should have said 4. I got 2. So I have one still in the box, and then the girl I use. Now, Donna asked about the Smart Doll. Oh, I can't do that in my wrist, and I don't have it wrapped. Smart Doll mugs. Would they work for Amaya Raine? Yes, they will. Let me see if I can get this in her hand. I don't have the hand strength right now, Donna, but yes, if you push that little finger down, you can get that in her hand. Oh, come on, Marna. And this is the size of it. It's not a bad size. But Darren, oh, for goodness sakes, had also made these for the 18-inch dolls, and that's another size. See, Darren and I have great big coffee mugs. When I say big, I mean we make a pot of coffee and divide it between our 2 coffee mugs. So I like big mugs. So this is probably more appropriate for the average person, for Darren and I.
It's like a coffee cup.
It's like a coffee cup. Yeah, or mug. Our mugs are just really big. That, you know, if you think about a mug in your hand, it's a little bigger, but not a lot bigger than that. Probably about right.
Yeah, I think that's a good cup size.
Yeah, I do too. So Donna, there you go. Yes, it will work. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please come back and see what happens with this girl and her hair. I obviously can't do it right now because of my wrist, but man, I'm glad to have her. Thank you, Donna, for this idea. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.